thinking of going solar but you don't know whether to install on the roof or whether you should install on the ground, don't worry, just watch this video from the beginning till the end. Let's start with roof mounting. Roof mounting saves space. It means that you don't need extra land where you want to install your solar system. But roof mounting can be challenging when your roof is very high or steep. That's number one. And another thing is that when it comes to maintenance and cleaning, it is difficult to maintain when you install on the roof. And also, if your roof is old or weak, you might need reinforcement before you install solar panels on it. Ground mounting, on the other hand, is very easy to maintain, but it requires a lot of space. This is not ideal for a compound that is very small. Number two, roof mounting is very affordable because you won't be spending so much on racking system. Ground mounting, on the other hand, is expensive because you will be spending a lot of money on the racking system. Number three is that roof mounting is suitable for small homes and urban areas where space is very tight. On the other hand, installing on the ground is best when it's a large application. Let's say you are installing on a farm or for a community, ground mounting is very good. If you are still not sure which one to go for, whether roof mounting or ground mounting, don't worry, we can help you decide what is best for you and what is fit for your budget. Just send us a DM or put a call through. See you in the next video.